Hey, people start businesses without money by using what they already have: a skill, a simple offer, an unused asset, or direct access to a customer. And now I'm going to share this with you. A lot of people think business starts with capital, but in many cases, it actually starts with resourcefulness. Shopify defines bootstrapping as building a company with existing resources instead of outside funding, using what you already have, stretching it, and getting the job done before money arrives. That usually means starting small, keeping overhead low, and proving demand before trying to look big. Airbnb is one of the clearest examples. According to Airbnb's own company history, the business began in 2007 when Brian and Joe welcomed 3 guests into their San Francisco home. In March 2008, Air Bed and Breakfast officially launched during SXWS and received only 2 bookings. Later that year, the website launched in time for the Democratic National Convention and got 80 bookings. That early version was not a big, polished company. It was a simple way to use an existing asset, extra space, to solve a real problem for travelers. Gymshark started with the same logic in a different form. On Gymshark's official story page, Ben Francis is described as balancing university, pizza delivery, and late-night gym sessions when he started the company in 2012. At first, Gymshark could not afford inventory, so the site sold supplements through dropshipping. Then Ben began sewing, screen printing, and delivering Gymshark products himself by hand. That means the business did not begin with a warehouse, a big team, or outside backing. It began with effort, proximity to the customer, and a very small, workable model. That is usually how businesses start with almost nothing. Not by building everything first, but by selling something simple first. Sometimes it is a service, sometimes it is access, sometimes it is a product made in tiny batches. The point is the same. Use existing resources, find demand, get the first customer, and let revenue tell you what to do next. This matters because money can help a business grow, but money does not create proof. Proof comes when someone pays. Airbnb proved people would stay in a stranger's home. Gymshark proved people would buy from a tiny fitness brand that started by hand. In both cases, the founders did not begin by asking how to look bigger. They began by asking what they could offer right now. So, if you want the practical version, it is simple. Start with what you already control, sell before you expand, keep the model small enough to survive, and use early revenue as your first investor. That is how nothing starts turning into something real.